Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a background here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing the background here in Adobe Express is a simple process that offers several advantages, particularly for enhancing your designs, photos, and overall creative projects. So once you are logged into your account here in Adobe Express, there are two ways for you to be able to remove anything here, especially with the background of an image or a photo. So one way is go to the more ways to start. There's going to be an option that says view all. I want you to click on it and then hover to the quick actions tab. From here, there's going to be an option that says remove background. All right. And all I have to do is browse an image. For example, I'm going to be browsing my own image that I have in my computer. All right. So Adobe Express will remove the background for you. Of course, you can download that if you wanted, or you can also open that in the editor, which we're going to do right now. Now, another option is, if you have uploaded a specific image right here, all I have to do is click that and there's going to be an option for you to remove the background, all right, inside the editor itself. You can remove image background keeping the subject right here. Just wait for it. You'll see the magic. Boom. It's very easy, right? Now, if you want to add more images here, so for example, I'm going to add a video from this exact, going to make it like at the back, so you can do a lot when you remove the image, right? So we're going to add more image along the way so we can see how great it is. Search for the photos, for example this one right here, click the remove background, and voila, image has been removed, right? Of course, you can do a lot of things here. You can add a text. Maybe add your text here. You know what? I'm just gonna copy that. And change the font color maybe to a white. And drag the text all the way to the top. So once you're happy with this, you might want to click on download, PDF, JPEG, or MP4. And if you want to share this amazing design that the background has been removed, click this share and send it to your boss or your client. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.